This one tip will change your relationships, especially if you are a parent. Remember this, all external behaviors, especially from children, are a direct echo, resonance, mirror of how they feel on the inside. So the next time your kid is rude, defiant, and really behaving terribly, and you want to take it personally and scream at them, pause. This has nothing to do with you. It is how they feel on the inside. Their behavior is a flag. It's an alert for what's going on inside. In my new book, The Parenting Map, I talk about how all behaviors are signs, S-I-G-N, something inside gone negative. So instead of screaming at your kid, which will only create more negativity on the inside, pause and ask, what's going on inside? It's the same with our partners. It's the same with our friends. Then, once you don't take it personally, you can make a choice. How can I help this behavior change? Do I need to leave? Or can I help educate the person? But first understand that all behaviors, including your own, are a mirror of what is going on inside of you. Tip of the day.